And I actually found a parking where I didn't fall over. Oh dear. Morning gang, welcome to day 6. Last night wasn't a great night. Sure, I just couldn't get comfortable. I think I'm on a little bit of a slope. Just really couldn't get comfortable. So I tossed and turned, and yeah, it wasn't a fun night. I was up at 1, up at 4. And this morning the back is a little bit tweaky, so I've just taken some paracetamol just to make sure that that settles down. Went for a shower this morning. It was quite interesting. I couldn't find a tap on the wall. I didn't know how to switch the shower, and unfortunately some other gent was coming out of his shower, so I opened the door and I said, am I being daft? And it's like a pull light switch string at the back of the shower that switches the water on and off. So that was a bit bizarre, but a really nice shower, really nice facilities here at the Cheddar Caravan and Campsite. So what's our plans for today? Well, today we are going to have a little breakfast. Some oats and a cappuccino. Then I'm going to head into Cheddar, go and explore the town a bit, ride the gorge, take some videos there, send you a few images of the gorge. And then I will come back, park up, and then there's another little village down the road, which I'll take a walk to go check that out. So quite a relaxed day. Nice to not have to pack up and hit the road. But yeah, really nice relaxed day. I hope you enjoyed with me. So let's have some breakfast and then we'll go and explore. Welcome to Cheddar Gorge, ladies and gentlemen. This place speaks to my soul, man. I absolutely love gorges. Hello, goaties. Little mountain goats in the gorge. Thank you. You guys can't lie here. Hey, little babies. They're little babies. This is the cave tour, so you can come and go visit the caves, but it's quite expensive. It's £25 to do the cave tour. Which would be something definitely worth doing and seeing. Alright, this is the town, which I fell in love with last time just before I fell off and hurt my shoulder. So today, no silly mistakes, rubber side down. Lord, please protect me. How spectacular was that ride-in? As I said while I was riding, this place speaks to my soul. It is so beautiful. Look at this waterfall here. And I actually found a parking where I didn't pull over. Oh dear. I'd love to do the cave tour, but £25. We'll see. We'll see. And then we go and explore a little bit. So had a lovely ride this morning. Came for an explore to see the Priddy pools, and they are empty. I asked the lady at the campsite if it's kind of worth a visit. She said it's probably going to be empty, but yeah, they are bone dry and overgrown. So clearly no water has been here for a while. But we'll continue to explore the little village of Priddy. I thought it was pronounced Priddy, but it's not, it's Priddy. So you're really out in the middle of nowhere here. I mean, there's cars and there's business vehicles and all sorts. But there is a post box. So you can still post a letter to a loved one. Oh, I'm a week too early. Friday Folk Festival next weekend. That'll be good fun. It's a field full of folk music and good food, I'm sure. They're cutting down a tree there, preparing some fire logs. Thought it's only fitting to pop into a local pub for a pint, seeing as I've got a day off today before I head on home tomorrow. So we've come to the Queen Victoria's little local pub here. It's beautiful. This is the original deed of the Queen Victorian Inn, 20th of January 1859. Hey gang, it's the final night of camping on this trip. I wanted to end with like an epic meal, but I guess I have, because the steak and ale pie that I had at the Queen Victoria pub in Priddy earlier was incredible, but so filling. I'm still so full. So I'm not going to be cooking anything tonight. If anything, I might have a snack bar or maybe some noodles a little bit later. But the wind is blasting today and it's 20 degrees, but with the wind it feels a lot cooler. So it's been quite cold. It's been a great rest day today. Had a little nap this afternoon, which was very welcome. It was quite hot at that point with the sun kind of blaring down. But it has been a good rest day after 4 days of pretty hectic, intense riding, 5 hours a day, especially for my first trip. It's something I haven't done before, so 5 hours in the saddle takes a bit of getting used to, put it that way. But the bugger's firmly bitten. I definitely will be planning my next trip. Thank you so much for joining me on this trip. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll do a final wrap-up video with me having my last camping breakfast before we hit the road. Won't be too much from a scenery en route. I am going to swing past Stonehenge, so we'll show you Stonehenge again, because I did that last year. But there's something very spiritual about that place for me. And then I'll do a final wrap up once I'm back in London.